Hi, this is BNB Specialist, and in this video, I'm going to tell you what you should do if you cannot find your property address when you're creating a listing on Airbnb. First of all, do not be alarmed. It is very common. People do not find their address on Airbnb. It uses a data which gets out of date very frequently. So please do not panic. Second thing is, you need to call Airbnb. When you cannot find your address on Airbnb, you will need to call their customer service and they will happily correct it for you, right? But there is a catch. They will not be able to see your listing or edit your listing until you've published it once. So what you need to do is publish your listing once with bare minimum details. Whatever you can populate, just populate all those details. Publish it once. As soon as it is published, unpublish it. You will find it under the listing status. Choose unlist, and that will preserve your listing at that stage. And then call Airbnb customer service. You can find Airbnb customer service number very easily if you know where to go. I will drop a link to my video where I have shown where you can find the Airbnb contact number for your country. Call Airbnb, tell them this is a new listing I'm creating and I need to change the address. They will be happy to change it for you. One thing to note is you will not be able to change your address once you have started receiving bookings. So you will need to be very quick, unpublish it, and then call Airbnb straight away, and they will be able to change it very easily for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to make more such videos. Until next time, bye-bye.